Hi everybody, welcome back to How To with Matt. Today's how-to is going to be removing the fin from my stand-up paddleboard. Just to give you some context about this board specifically and the size of it, this board is 11 foot 6 inches long, 32 1/8 wide, and then 5 inches thick. And it's a paddle sports surf tech. So just to start, when it comes to tools that you might need for this, what I use is a screwdriver. You can also use a fin key, which a lot of times comes with boards like this. Just to start off, what I just want to mention is the location of the fin. So right now you'll see it's pretty much right in the center of the track. When you're deciding how far back you want your fin, the farther back your fin is, generally that's going to allow you to have much more of a straight ride. So usually you're going to be more on flat water, and that's going to allow you to not have to alternate your paddle back and forth so often throughout your ride. If you had your fin all the way forward, that generally is going to mean that you're riding on more waves, so more of like a surfing ride. And what that's going to do is allow you to have much more sharp turns. So let's get right into taking off the fin. So as you can see, the fin is pointing backwards with a sharp end. This is the back of the board, of course. So I'm going to start by unscrewing our one screw, which is right here at the front of the fin. This should come out relatively quickly. It's not a super long screw, and then at that point you can just unhand screw it right there. So that's our screw right here. From that point, what I'm going to do, the front fin should come straight up if I pull down at the back and up on the front, just like so. So from here, to actually pull the fin out, you'll see there's a notch in this track right in the center, circular. So from there, we're going to slide it forward so the back of the fin meets that little notch in the groove. There we go. And from there, you should be able to pull it straight up. And as you'll see, most of the fins, they have these little metal notches on the side of them. That's what's actually going to hold it down in this track. The last thing is going to be the actual fin plate, which you may or may not be able to see. It's in here. It's a small little square metal plate with a screw hole in it. And that's what actually the screw goes in when it's being held down in this. And that's pretty much it. And that right there was how to remove your fin from your stand-up paddleboard. Thanks so much for watching. This is How To with Matt. Be sure to subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.